So nowadays, because of a lot of platforms, like even Archie platform that I was told of, and the various resources that are available, there is now no shortage of resources. There's only a shortage of willpower.
Hi, good afternoon. It's an honor to welcome a proud daughter of Odisha, Miss Ritika Rath, who has made the state shine by securing All India rank 48 in the UPSC Civil Service examination. Today, we are not just celebrating a rank but a role model, someone who soon will step into the Indian Administrative Service and shoulder the responsibility of shaping lives and policies. So now let's welcome her and hear from her about her journey and challenges what she faced and what's her vision for the future.
So, welcome to our A4Con Services Private Limited. First of all, we would like to congratulate on your huge success. And so, please enlighten us few words about your journey, what you have experienced during getting your achievements in becoming an IAS officer. Thank you, first of all, for having me here. Regarding my journey, this journey is of 3 years. Uh, and through all the 3 years, I think one thing that I've learned is the importance of patience, the importance of putting in hard work, and the importance of finding the right sources. So nowadays, because of a lot of platforms, like even Archie platform that I was told of, and the various resources that are available, there is now no shortage of resources. There's only a shortage of willpower. So I feel that in any exam, not only this exam or any other exam in life, there's a need to have a strong willpower. There's a need to work hard. There's a need to overcome challenges. And that, I think, is the biggest lesson that I'll want any of your viewers to take from my lesson, is that the road might seem difficult, the tunnel might seem very dark, but there's always light at the end of the day. And it's important to hang on, to persist in spite of the problems. So, at last, what do you want to give as tips to our RC students who are already enrolled and studying with us? What's the tip you want to give to them? I think one thing I'd really want them is to make full use of the platform they have. Nowadays, it's a privilege for a student to be able to find a place where they can get all resources, verified resources more so. So, make full use of the resources that you have, and always have faith that your hard work, that your persistence will pay off. It might not pay off in the same timeline that you are believing, let's say in 1 or 2 years, but it will somewhere, someday definitely pay off. So make full use of all the resources you have, put in a lot of hard work, and leave the results to the universe, to God, whoever you believe in. Thank you so much. Thank you for having your valuable time. Thank you for having me.